Assalamualaikum and a very good evening I bid to all the examiners. My name is N.Adibah binti Haskam. You can call me Adibah. Today I am going to present my final year project titled Evaluation of Peroxide Value and Thiobarbituric Acid as Quality Indicators for Banana Chips and Sweet Potato Chips. Before I present more about my project, these are the outline for my presentation, which will start with background of the study. Background of study. Quality is one of the main considerations in producing food products. Low quality of food product will affect the shelf life and affect the sales of the manufacturer. In this case, sales will decrease when low quality of food will produce. One of the solutions is by using peroxide value and thiobarbituric acid as indicators to evaluate the oil oxidation degree in the chips. Next, problem statement. As for the quality of chips, there have been some concerns arising. A suitable indicator is necessary to assess the quality of chips during storage. One of the indicators that can be used to evaluate the quality is the oil oxidation rate. For this project, there are two objectives that need to be achieved. The first one is to evaluate the peroxide value and thiobarbituric acid as quality indicators at different storage temperature. Next is to find the suitable temperature and storage time for storing banana chips and sweet potato chips in order to maintain the quality. There are 6 points for the literature review. The first one is banana chips. The bananas that will be used in this project will be from Musa species. Next is sweet potato chips. The sweet potato that will be used is from Ipomia batatas L. For the frying process, cooking oil from palm will be used. This item can be obtained from supermarket at Kampung Raja. Next are the factors that affect the quality. The first one is storage temperature. According to research conducted by Stella, when the temperature increases, the rate of oxidation also increases. The second factor is storage time. Based on the research conducted by Joel et al., the longer the storage time, the greater the lipid oxidation can occur. Next is lipid oxidation indicators, which are peroxide value known as PV and thiobarbituric acid known as TBARS. Lipid oxidation occurs in many food products with major classes of triglyceride. Some of the causes are exposure to heat, light, and metal ions. Based on Ahmed et al., this causes the hydrogen atom of the double bond to be extracted and free or alkali radical will be formed. The peroxide value can be indicator of the initial stages of oxidation. Based on Wang et al., the total amount of peroxides in a substance can be measured. For TBARS, based on research that was conducted by Gold et al., when there is an increase in PV, the TBA value will increase due to the formation of secondary metabolism after lipid peroxidation. Next will be methods. For sample preparation, the sample will start with peeling, washing, cutting into slices, washing again, frying in cooking oil, drain, packing, and store at 3 different temperatures, which are at 30, 40, and 50 degrees for 2 months. Analysis will be done every 2 weeks. To obtain peroxide value, the chips will be crushed and added into the cuvette. Ionized water will be used to fill the cuvette. Next, place it in the UV-vis spectrophotometer and run it. 3 values will be collected for every sample. For TBARS value, 1 gram of crushed chips will be mixed with 5 ml of TBA solution containing 0.375% of thiobarbituric acid plus 0.25 NaHCl. The mixture will be heated at 90 to 100 Celsius for 10 minutes to develop a pink color. It will be cooled down under the running tap for 30 minutes. Next, it will be centrifuged. A supernatant will form and be filtered. It will be placed in the UV spectrophotometer and run. 3 values will be collected for each sample. For expected outcome based on research that was conducted by Stella, the higher the storage temperature, the higher the PV and TBARS will be obtained. Next, based on the research that was conducted by Gold et al., the longer the storage period, the higher the PV and TBARS will be obtained. Next, Table 1 shows the PV and TBA values of buckwheat chips at different storage times and different storage temperatures that were obtained from Gold et al. Next is my Gantt chart, and the last one will be references. That's all from me. Thank you.